Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here to talk about evil eye, which is one of the most questions that I have been asked throughout my journey in coaching. And I'm here to tell you about how it works. Does it even work? Could it eliminate negative energy from your life, or does it attract disasters to your life? Does it work? Yes, it does. But does it always eliminate negative energies from your life? No, it doesn't. Because many times, if you don't know how to use it, and if you do not use it properly, it could attract a lot of disasters and negativity to your life, to your body, to your soul, and to everything that you have in life. Now, people are using evil eye as decorations in their home, in their office, in their car, or they use it as jewelry in their body. It is very important for you to know how to use evil eye. If you're wearing evil eye as jewelry on your body, stop, pause this video, take it off your body immediately. And this is a warning. I wish everyone in the world knows this. Now, let me explain to you about the concept of evil eye, and then we're going to get back to this part of how to use it. Evil eye is made out of two of the most powerful manifestation and energetic tools that we have available to us in this world. I personally manifested my dream life, and I every day use the power of lights, shapes, numbers, colors, and many other tools like meditations and all that in my life to manifest my dream life. Now, evil eye is consisted of the power of two of the most powerful tools that I just mentioned, and that is colors and shapes. The shape of circle and round, which is within the evil eye, is the shape that does a lot of things. One of the things that it does, and that's the reason they use it in evil eye, is because it's the shape that it grabs, it holds within it. Whatever it grabs, it holds there, and it keeps going around and around and around, and it just stays there forever. So evil eye is round because it wants to grab the negative energy and it wants to hold it inside. And within this negative energy grab hole, you also have the color of blue, you have the color of white, and you have the color of black, which are the three colors that are used to prevent or to attract negative energies. Blue is the color that grabs the negative energies and it takes it away from you. It protects you from all the negativity. But there is also another point about the color of blue. Not only it attracts and grabs negative energy, it also grabs positive energy. So it gets all the energies from around you. In my practices, we use the color of blue or light of blue to protect ourselves from negative energies. But we always have to remember to undo this color. So we have practices that we cover ourselves with the light, or we protect ourselves with the light, but we have to uncover ourselves at the end, because what the blue color does is that it drains your energy. It prevents you from getting negative or positive energies. Now, the other color that's used within the evil eye is black. Black is the source of grabbing negative energies. Whatever that is black grabs negativity into it. And the other one is the color white. White turns negativity into positivity. But then it's really important for you how to use white. If you use white with black and blue, then the power of black and blue is way stronger than the white. So they grab the negative energy. The white tries to cleanse that negative energy, but it doesn't really work that much, because now black has superpowers to hold negative in it. Blue has superpowers to hold all energies in it. White cannot really do anything in there. It's just trying to cleanse the energies. What I'm trying to tell you here is that if you want to use evil eye, you have to know exactly not to wear it on your body. The reason being is that you, for example, you're wearing a necklace of evil eye. You go in a party, you go in a gathering, and that evil eye grabs all the negative energies to it. You're holding all the negative energies of that event on your chakra, on your throat chakra. You're wearing it all day. You go to sleep wearing it. And most often, we do not energy cleanse our jewelries 100 times a day. We don't do it. So you don't take a white sage with you to a party, to a gathering, and you don't go to the bathroom, keep cleansing your jewelries. If you do it, perfect, then it works fine. But I'm sure you don't. So try to avoid wearing any kind of jewelry, especially a necklace of evil eye. If you're wearing a bracelet, again, you're attaching all the negativities to your skin, to your body, to your energies. The energy vibration around you is being affected by that evil eye on your body. If you're keeping an evil eye symbol in your home, then again, you're doing this exact same thing. You're grabbing all the negative energies from people who enter your home, but then you're holding them in your home. It's there on the wall. It holds all the negative energies to it. If you remember to cleanse the energies of your home decorations with your evil eyes, perfect. And when I say cleanse the energies, I mean 2 or 3 times a day if you have high traffic. But if you don't have a high traffic home, at least once a day, because again, it still keeps a lot of energy inside of it. If you want to prevent the danger, the risk of holding negative energies around you, just don't keep any kind of evil eye inside your home as a jewelry on your body or anywhere around you, or even in your car, which is really important. You don't want to grab negative energy and carry it around with you in your car. It is dangerous. You don't want to have that. So let's talk about it. How do we use evil eye to prevent negativity in our life? I personally use the parts of evil eye. So I use the color blue. Like today, I'm wearing blue. Then I take it off at the end of the day and I wash it. And then when I take a shower, I cleanse all my chakras every time I take a shower. Or I use the color blue in my journaling. I use the color of black in my journaling. I use the shape of circle round in my journaling. And that has a very high power to eliminate negative energies, but I use it in the right ways. If you want to learn how to use the shapes, numbers, colors, lights, and all the things that could grab a lot of positivity in your life and it could help you manifest your dreams fast, if you want to learn it, don't forget to check out the webinar, the free webinar. Link to the free webinar below this video. It tells you exactly what I do in my life, but if you want to learn how to use them, I created an online course which gives you lifetime access once you join in it, and it teaches you everything that I use step by step in detail. Plus it gives you monthly rituals for the moon rituals, which has a lot of using the colors, shapes, numbers, and all the things that we just talked about. And it's monthly rituals because it's based on the energies of the moon each month. And it's lifetime, it's forever. And it also makes me your lifetime coach. If you want to know more about this online course, the link is below in the description and it's called DIY Your Happy Life Online Course. If you want to use evil eye in your home and you have a decoration and if you really want it to be powerful, this is what you can do. You could only keep one evil eye inside your home, not more, only one. And that only one has to be somewhere displayed around your front door, around the door that people enter your house from. That's where you have to display the evil eye. So when people come in, they look at the evil eye. That grabs the energy, and that is perfect. Even if they don't look at it, it still grabs their energy. And after people leave your house, you have a gathering. It's only you in the house. There's no one else. It's only you. You enter your house, you leave your house. You carry the energies of the people you meet throughout the day. You carry the energies of people you see in social media. Everything is energy. So your energies could be negative and heavy at days. So every single day, especially when you have gatherings, you take the evil eye, you wash it with salt water. Water has a very powerful, very, very powerful magical power to it. And we do a lot of things in my practices using water, one of them being making moon water. So if you do make moon water for yourself on the right months of the year, you could use that moon water to spray it on your evil eye and cleanse the energy every day. Again, if you join DIY Your Happy Life online course, you're going to get every single month's moon ritual. You know exactly what month to make moon water and how to make it. If you don't have moon water, another thing you could do, which is also powerful, you could use salt water to cleanse the energies of evil eye. You have to take it off the display, cleanse it with salt water, and just put it back there. Now the salt water could not be sprayed to the evil eye because you don't want to leave salt on it. You have to rinse it after you clean it with the salt water. You have to rinse salt, because if you let the salt sit on the evil eye, it's going to bring fights, it's going to bring negativity. So another way you could cleanse the energies of evil eye every single day is using the power of white sage or Palo Santo wood stick, or both of them, which is perfect, which is exactly what I do. I don't keep evil eye in my home at all because I don't like keeping them, but I cleanse my home using the power of white sage and Palo Santo wood stick every single day. White sage, what it does is that it takes away all the energies from whatever that you're trying to cleanse it with. And then after that, you use the Palo Santo wood stick, which brings in positive energies. So you want to use these two to cleanse the energies of your evil eye. If you want to use the power of evil eye, perfect. Just watch this video over and over again. Send it to your loved ones. Send it to your friends. Send it to anyone who needs to hear about the power of evil eye and how to use it. Because this one thing could bring a lot of good karma for you. Yes, of course, it's going to help my channel if you send it and share it with other people, but it's also going to bring a lot of good energies for you because you're sharing a very valuable information with people, and most people don't know it. Most people are using it and they're attracting things that they should not be attracting to their lives. I wish you an amazing day filled with love, joy, happiness, and positivity. Again, if you subscribe to my channel, I'll be more than happy to have you here as a friend. If you like this video, press the like button. If you want to become friends with me, this is my IG. I wish you an amazing day filled with love, joy, happiness, and positivity, and I will see you next week. Goodbye.